Do you need to visualize logistics, distribution or process flow data in a way that makes sense at a glance? Unlike a force-directed graph, MetroMap is designed to handle converging paths as well, which makes it perfect for supply chains, transport routes and business workflows. It takes as its input a set of start and end pairs and connects them all together in a map, much like the London Tube map. You can use MetroMap to highlight dependencies and bottlenecks with ease. When you click or hover on a node, you have all of the precedent paths highlighted in one colour, and all of the dependent paths, all of the paths that are possible after that point, highlighted in a different colour. Of course, you can switch this off in the formatting pane, or you can choose just to show these paths on hover or on click, just to show the precedent paths or the descendant paths, or you could make the colour the same for both if you wanted to, and change the prompt that appears when you hover from the word node. In label settings, you can change all of the font faces and size for the labels, but you can also change the position of the labels relative to the node. And in visual settings, you can change the line colour and thickness, the node size, and also what colour the node should go when you hover on it. Metro turns complex networks into intuitive, interactive visuals. Why not give it a go?